Down by the river today, do a little video on my 2020, I believe, Poseidon redwood gravel bike. Say what I like about it, what could be changed, some of the upgrades I've already done. So it's got the Advent X 1x10 drivetrain with the 38 tooth single ring up front. I put these Velo orange pedals on it. I swapped out the seat post for this Bontrager Elite I had. It's got my Brooks saddle on it. The guy I bought it off put these Pan-A-Racer Gravel Kings on it. It's a 650B wheel set. It's got the carbon fork. I believe that was an option when you bought it new. I put the salsa stem on it that I had laying around. My wrap job I did with some Brooks bar tape. Not professional by any means, but yeah, it's a comfy bike. I like how it rides. I could definitely lighten it up with some better wheel set, but it's a nice bike. It's got the Advent X, the micro shift drifters right here, and the brakes aren't the best. They're mechanical disc brakes. They work. The front works well, the back's a little weak, but I might upgrade that in the future either way. But other than that, everything's pretty much stock crank set. Might be upgraded in the future too. But yeah, this bike does really well off-road, on light trails. Gravel's great. I ride it on the road a lot. Nice hot day in Maine today, 85, 90. But yeah, not too much I don't like about it yet. I'm not too picky. Pretty good for a budget bike. Paid $1,000 for it. It's a size medium. Alright. Just wanted to make a little video about it. Have a good one.